Hi everybody, PAC-PREZ here, out on location to talk to you about the TL84 innovative patented roll-up truck door hidden shackle security padlock. Right, but before I get into this, what I want to talk to you about is what you typically do on these truck doors, right? For example, I've got our cool 600 series 7/16 inch diameter shackle here. Great padlock, but like any, susceptible to be cutting on the shackle. Or worse, even if I put a really heavy duty lock on here like our 600, all the criminals need to do is cut right on through this Todco handle, right? That's the weak spot on this lock. That's the weak spot on the handle. So you have to protect against that as well. What some companies have done is they'll make this big sheet of welded steel that you have to put over top. And then once you get over top, great, now you got to put a padlock up and underside. So now that you're paying for two pieces of security, but you have to deal with all that monstrosity and getting the padlock up and in there. That's just not smart, and that's not how PAClock does things. So let me go ahead and take off this 600, and I'll show you how the TL84 works. All right, now with our TL84, it's one of my two favorite padlocks that we've made at PAClock. The reason is, look at that, right? A big shaft coming up on the end of that padlock. Who's ever seen a hockey puck built like that? Nobody. That's why it's patented, and that's why it's perfect for an application like this. Once again, you're trying to prevent this hook here from coming up out of the door. If I can prevent this hook from moving, you can't get the door open. I don't care what happens up here, right? And so what we've done, we built a custom hasp that's easily mounted into the truck itself. 2 bolts holds it in. And once you've got that hasp on, you unlock your TL84, install it in, and you're ready to go. Use your PAC band to cover up the cylinder to help keep the debris and the dust out. Now when someone comes to try and unlock your door, you don't care what happens over here. What you care about is, I can't get that hook to move. The shackle is designed, makes it so there's nothing out here to cut. Big, strong padlock, weather resistant, ready for you to do whatever you need to do. And the other bonus, if you need to use a security seal now, along with a padlock, the TL84 gives you that capability. So here's a Todco. We're gonna switch on over to a whiting truck and show you how that works. All right, so here we are now. We've got a whiting handle over here, right? 2 big handles out there in the industry, Todco and whiting. We're ready to go on our whiting handle. We've already gone ahead and installed the hasp. Same function. In fact, the body of the padlock is exactly the same. I can use this padlock on the Todco handle, I can use this padlock on my whiting handle. All that changes is the type of hasp that goes on it. The installation's the same. Put 1 bolt in, get it just right. Put your 2nd bolt in squared away. Functionality is the same. When I unlock the whiting handle, you can see my hook wants to come up. All right? Our goal is to stop that hook from moving. Go ahead and install my TL84 on this whiting handle. I'm locked up, put my PAC band back into place. I've got my protection against the dust and debris, and now someone comes to unlock it, it's not going to happen. TL84 is the best way to go for your whiting and Todco doors on your roll-ups. Best way to go, and keep in mind you got 6-pin security in here, with security pins, bump resistance, pick resistance, one of the best cylinders out there.